my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to embed your video on WordPress. So it's easy, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. So it's easy, it's totally easy. So okay, now we're logged in on WordPress. We're on dashboard. As you can see, we're on dashboard. Welcome to WordPress. The first thing you need to do is to go to, you're gonna embed it using Elementor. You have to go to plugins, add new. If you didn't add Elementor yet, just wanna show you a quick how to add Elementor. Okay, we're on Elementor. Then let's type here Elementor. Okay, searching for Elementor now. Okay, here's the Elementor website builder. Sure, it's look like this one over here. So you click on install. Mine is already installed and activated. You click on install. Then once it's done installing, you click on activate. Then it would be activated. Then that's it, guys, how to install Elementor. Then you go over here to your website, the home button. This one is just a tutor website. So let's click on visit a site. Visit a site. Okay. But now where's Elementor? Okay, let me go back. I think there's, because it was supposed to show me my site, because I already had this site. Let me go, or you can just go to pages. When you go to pages, then let me look for homepage. Homepage, let me look for the homepage. Here's the homepage. Then edit with Elementor. Edit a homepage with Elementor. So yeah, it's taking us to Elementor now. So you can see the page is loading over here. Elementor homepage is loading. Yes, we're getting there. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, let me just refresh. Okay, yeah, here we go. Now we're on Elementor. We edit this page using Elementor. So it's pretty much simple, guys. Oh, I refreshed. Let me just wait for it. Okay, done. Pop. So it's pretty much simple, guys. Let me just include this. It's pretty much simple. It's totally pretty much simple. Here's the site. So I just want to add. So you click on this little add icon or plus icon. You add the section. So I just want to choose like this section because I just want to add one video. Then let me do it like a full width. Okay, it's a full width. Then let me go back. It's using this tree. I want to go back. Then here's the video element. Video element, you just drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay. Sometimes you can choose you upload your video through Vimeo or YouTube, but for this tutorial I decided to use YouTube or Dailymotion or self-hosted, but I decided to use YouTube. So you have to go to YouTube and copy your link on YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Let's open a new tab quickly so that you can go to YouTube. Or I can use this because it just keep on annoying. Let me just use this. Let me go over to my channel. Let me just click this. Let me close. Then let me copy. Yes. Let me copy the link. You just copy the link on top, then you're done. Then let's go back to our site. Let's go back to our site. We had the link now. It's the only thing we need to do is just to paste the link. Then just delete this link over here. Delete it. Okay, then paste your own link. Paste. No man, I copied the channel link instead of copying the video link. Okay, it was a big mistake, guys. I copied the channel link instead of copying the video link. I just copied here on top. I had to go back to my channel again. My apologies for keep you watching. Digital market. Let's just click copy, then copy the link. Yeah, share and click copy, then we're done. Then when you come back here, oh, here's it. Yes, it's fine even like that, but I just wanted to make sure if it's working. Let me paste. Yes, it's working. So you can decide maybe to autoplay. Once they get here, it just play itself, or to mute a sound, or to loop. Yeah, to loops, like once it's done playing, it's like keep on playing to loop it. Yes. Yeah, that's it, guys. The video is there now. People can see your video in your website. Then make sure you update. Let's update the site with this website. I mean, let's update the site with this video on it so that you can make sure that video is there. Update. Then we are done. Once it's finished updating, we're almost done, guys. We can't wait for it to update. Then we're almost done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment. Any question related to WordPress, drop it down here below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay blessed.